Hello, this is me, Fern, in a tutorial on how to make a map for Liberation Special Forces 1. The thing is, there's members in the team that want to make a map for it. Well, in here, this is the file structure. These are external files, like external packages from the marketplace, and these are the files of the game. We go to maps, and in here we see all the maps we use in the game. This one is the Forest Storm operation. This one is the Etruscally one. Well, the big first map. Then this is the menu, and this is for testing AI. Right. Let's open the forest map. It will take a while. Okay. You see, this is the map that you play on PvP and the campaign. Okay, so these are the buildings. You can move them easily and stuff. And these are spawners where you spawn with your team or alone on the PvP. And in here, other spawners. But you don't need to care about those. You just need to care about making the map. Okay, that's all for the overview. Let's begin a map from scratch and see if we can do something cool. Okay, so our end result could be something like this: some bunch of buildings, some landscape, textures and whatnot, and this is how it looks like. And the sun is moving. You don't need to do a lot of stuff to make the sun move. Well, oh, here it is. If you fast forward, it moves. Yeah, everything looks better. Yeah. Okay, let's go. First, you need to go on hit new level, and you hit this one. Okay, now let's save it. Save us, and let's say Toby map test 2, because we have one already. And let's save it. Okay, so first, if we want to play with the shoulder, we hit here and we check this one here. We go to world settings and check this one. And now we need to move as well. The player chart is put here. So as you can see, we can play already. But it popped up some errors that these are our custom errors because the day-night system won't work unless you do some tweaks and whatnot. So let's do it. Let's really tweak it a little bit. We have a volumetric crowd, but on a sky dome we don't need this. We need a sky. This is the thing. The first things you need to do in order to get it working. We drop this sky sphere here, and we name it. No, we don't need to name it anything. And we have this thing here. Now we need a fog as well, which is necessary. We drop this thing here too as well, which is basically some fog, yeah. So we don't see everything pretty neat. Okay, so let's scale this thing to have more terrain to walk around. I'll show later how to do landscape, but these are the first steps you need to do. Okay, now you might say, well, this is already everything in it. Well, not really. You need to reference the light thingy here, and refresh material. Okay. And that's it. Now we play. And we see that the time is running, the sun is moving, and no errors popped whatsoever that are important. No, it's good. And next tutorial, making a landscape. Okay, now let's proceed to make a landscape. First, well, let's keep all of these things here. We type here landscape. No, sorry. We go to modes here, landscape. We check this one, and we create. Okay, now that we created, we go back to select mode. Then go here, landscape. Type here landscape. And let's take this tutorial, this landscape here. Let's go to landscape again. Now go here and paint. Check this tab here, paint. And I don't know what is going on, but something blinked. Now, we need to create we need to hit here and just okay, next. Now we just need to paint it. Okay, this would be a road, this would be rocks. It takes a little bit to compile. Okay, that's it. Okay, now that we have painted the landscape, let's sculpt it. We just hit here, sculpt, control, left control, and click. And now we have cool thing, mountains. We hit play to test it out. Okay, that's a problem. That this is a common problem. Just need to hit here and move this around like this, and it's gonna work. Okay, there we go. We are in the mountain. It's a little bit bright. I don't know. Just adjust the gamma or something. But I can. All I need is the map. All we need is the map. Then we can adjust the values, or just disable the fog, and it's gonna look good. Well, a little bit better. And yeah, that's it. Okay, next we will go and place some buildings so it looks nicer. Right, placing buildings. Placing buildings is something easy. As you can see, these are all the files we have in our file system of Unreal. This, for instance, is something of the binoculars. This is of the night vision, blah blah. This one has meshes. You just need to hit here, filter, then static mesh, and you will see all the meshes. We have benches, we have houses. Well, this is all free marketplace stuff, so it's pretty easy to handle, and we can play around with it and whatnot. This is flying. It's not good practice to set some flying buildings, and I think it's up to scale. Well, I don't know what is this. I think it's a tower or something. Well, that's it for placing buildings in it. Then we will see placing foliage. Okay, placing foliage. We go to here, foliage, and for instance, we type here near, and we place the mouse here, type tree, and now chop this thing here. Just paint around our typical tree that we place in every game of ours. Creative Oven Tree, made by Mikkel, I think. Yeah, no, yeah, made by Mikkel. I wanted to sound fancy, but yeah, it's made by Mikkel from, I think, 10 years ago. I don't know. Well, anyways, yeah, that is it. And if no need for collision, no need for fancy stuff, just well, there's no shadow on it. It looks weird and odd, but or maybe is a shadow for it? I have no idea. But anyways, this is how you place the foliage. Got shadow. Ah, yeah, this shadow, but it didn't render or something. No idea. Well, that is it for the tutorial on how to. Okay, yeah, there's shadow. There's shadow. That is it for the tutorial on how to make a map for Liberation Special Forces real quick. It would be so good to see you guys making maps for us with the existing assets. And yeah, well, other stuff you can change the scaling of these things, like instead of 1 set to 10, then it's gonna be random. You see, play, and we have a lot of trees now. Tree land, yeah. Well, about the day night system, it looks like this because, well, I will tweak it at the end. I just need the map, and you can fast forward again. Then you can see the clock, and it's going to, yeah, to go faster the sun to go up, and yeah, that's it. This is our map. I mean, you can make better, I'm sure. I'm not a level designer. I don't know any philosophies to help me to make these maps well, nice, and whatever ways of thinking or whatever you want to call it. Well, yeah, that's it for the tutorial how to make a map for Liberation Special Forces, and I hope you get something well. Well, that's good. See you later. Alright, to end this video, I'm going to just make a map myself real quick. It's going to be I think that, well, I'm thinking right now, like, I don't want to make a Ghost Recon 1 thing, I don't know, but it would be cool. I think what I'm going to do is maybe a little village with a typical crossroad, and that's it. But first, let's see how we can clear the things out. First, you go here, foliage, type foliage. Well, we hit this thing, we clear these things. Okay. What did I delete? Okay. Play. Let's see that I didn't show anything weird. No. Okay. Now, well, we have this. It's a good beginning, I think. Now, landscape. Paint. And we made the crossroad like this. Okay. More or less like this. And let's place the buildings now. Or only buildings. Okay. Oh, whoa. Well, we have to choose to select, else it's gonna be weird. Oh, let's just place buildings around. We don't care about the scale so much because that's the scale. It's fit to. It's good for our character, main character. Well, I really don't know. Well, I'm not place a tower here, just for fun. Just you press spacebar to switch between modes. This is scale, this is move up, and this is rotate. Okay. And I don't know, let's put a bench here. A lonely bench. Now, and I don't know. What else? A house here. I don't know. I think it's getting cool already, but let's place some cool foliage around it. Well, maybe a more a little tower here. I don't know. What is this? Park square. Well, this one is looking perfect. This building here, it would be the town hall, I think it's called. Yeah. Now we just go to foliage and set for 3 like before, and let's play this one, let's play this one, let's place this one as well, and this one as well. Then feed all of them, and I don't know. Density, I'll just place 1. It means that not a lot of density when placing it, self-explanatory. The size, it's sent through here. You click it, you move the mouse, and then you am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. And well, these trees are not so big, so let's go here. Let's go here, and tap 10 here, and 2 here. Now there's going to be different scale. Well, now they're too big. Now they look like ancient trees. It's just 4. And yeah, there we go. Okay, let's save all, and hit play. Well, no planned buildings. Remember that the lighting will be touched later, tweaked later, so for now it's not that important. And yeah, the forest will look like this, which is cute. I mean, I like it. And if you want to play some grass, there's grass too, but I recommend to not add some grass, because it's pretty useless in the game, but you cannot see the AI, but the AI can see you. You know, and that's it. Not a nice ending, I know, but the memory card crashed. Well, I'll see you around.